Now that Visual Studio Code is installed, so there are some cool extensions that I recommend to you guys to install that. They are very cool, they're very good and useful. So in order to install the extensions, so go and click on the extensions here and then search for live server. So as you can see that live server is here. So click on that and then install. Don't worry about the usage of live server right now. So along the course, I'm going to tell you guys that what does live server do. Second, go ahead and install Prettier, Prettier. So this formats the code when you save. So go ahead and install it. The third one is bracket pair, and go ahead and install this one. And the fourth one is live SASS compiler. So we are not using live SASS compiler right now, but along the course when we are finished with HTML and CSS series, then we'll use live SASS compiler. So it's better to install it now. And that's it. So in the next video, I'm going to teach you guys how to download and install um, web browser, which is Google Chrome. So stay tuned. See you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye.